In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and activate your GoDaddy website's automated messages. Whether you're reaching out to customers to confirm appointments, send reminders, or thank them for their purchase, customizing your automated messages can significantly enhance the user experience on your website. Let's make sure those messages not only convey the right information, but also reflect the tone and branding of your business. First off, we need to get into the GoDaddy dashboard. So open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy dashboard. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a multitude of options and settings that allow you to tweak your website's features. Now look for the automation section on the dashboard. It's usually located on the sidebar or within the main menu options. Clicking on automations will give you access to control various automated processes that your site can perform. From here, we're looking to delve into specific parts of your automation settings that let you interact with your customers seamlessly. Once inside the automations panel, take a look at the options available under customer life cycles. This section is crucial because it's where you can manage the lifecycle messages your customers receive. These messages are typically concerned with keeping your customer updated throughout their interaction with your services, be it onboarding, reminders, or follow-ups. You have the ability to toggle these settings on or off based on your current needs. If there's a particular message you don't want to send out, make sure it's turned off. Conversely, make sure that essential notifications like payment confirmations or service completions are activated to ensure clear communication with your customers. Next, we'll check out another important section, commerce. This area is vital as it deals with transaction-related communications. These messages are sent when a customer makes a purchase, and it's important they are timely and clear to build trust with your clientele. Once again, go through the list of available messages here and decide which ones you want active. You can adjust settings similar to the customer lifecycle section, maintaining your messages' relevance and timing according to your business needs. It's important to note that customizing these messages to include your branding, tone, and any specific personal touches can enrich your customer's experience significantly, offering them a more personalized and connected feel. By carefully setting these automations, you are enabling your business to maintain high standards of communication with your clients, enhancing their overall experience with your service. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to make the best use of GoDaddy's automated messaging tools. Remember, clear and effective communication is key to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your online presence.